Good morning, students. Welcome to you all. I hope all of you are well in the time of COVID-19. This is online class in class 10. Welcome to you all on the behalf of Navarun Secondary School, and I am Sukesh Mazumdar, an assistant teacher of Navarun Secondary School. Dear students, there are many functions that we observed in our school and in any other institutions in the country. On this day, we go to the Shahid Minar and pay tribute to the martyrs to establish Bangla as a state language in undivided Pakistan. And we observe the day in the 21st February. Can you say what's the day? However, let's discuss about the day, and it is the International Language Day that we observe in our country every year on 21st February. Dear students, look at the board. Here is a passage about the International Mother Language Day, and beside the passage there is a picture and some important questions given on the passage. At first, you will look at the picture and answer the questions after reading the passage. Dear students, I am giving you a short description about the topics. We observe the day every year. The day is very remarkable and very shockable day in our national history. It is a red letter day of our national history. Dear students, on this day we go to the Shahid Minar on barefooted and we place the wreaths to the martyrs, and we place wreaths on the Shahid Minar. On this day, then Pakistan government, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, declared in a public meeting that only the Urdu will be state language in undivided Pakistan, but the people of all stages of our country don't all of people in our country protest against the proposal. Dear students, now I am reading the passage. After completing the passage, you will able to tell about the significance of the passage. After completing or after reading the passage, you will match some words with their meanings. After reading the passage, you will able to ask and answer the questions given on the board. Dear students, now I am reading the passage and listen to me carefully. 21st February is a memorable day in our national history. We observe the day every year as International Mother Language Day. The day is a national holiday. On this day, we pay tribute to the martyrs who laid down their lives to establish Bangla as a state language in undivided Pakistan in 1952. The struggle to achieve our language rights to known as the language movement. The seat of the language movement was shown to 21st March 1948 when Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the Government General of Pakistan, declared in a public meeting at Dhaka that Urdu will be the only state language of Pakistan. The declaration raised a storm of protest in the eastern part of the country. The protest continued non-stop, gathering momentum day by day. It turned into a movement and reached its climax in 1952. The government outlawed all sorts of public meetings and rallies to stop it. Dear students, I hope all of you understand the significance of the passage. Now, look at the board. There is a chart on the board, and the chart is divided into two parts. On the left side, there are different times, and the right side is gap. You will be fill up the right sides what happened in different times. In 1947, Pakistan and India became independent. In 1948, Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, then the Pakistani government, declared that Urdu will be only state language in Pakistan. In 1952, all people of all stages took part in a struggle to establish Bangla as a state language in Pakistan. Dear students, I hope all of you understand the chart, and our next topic is there is another table on the board. Look at the board. In this table, some important words of the passage are given in the table, and their appropriate meanings are given on the right sides. You will have to match the words with their appropriate meanings. Students, carefully look at the board. First word is tribute, and its appropriate meaning is an act to show respect or admiration. The next word is climax, and its appropriate meaning is the most exciting point in time. The next word is outlaw, and its appropriate meaning is to ban, and the last word is observe, and its appropriate meaning is celebrate. Dear students, at last there is a home task given on the board for you at your home. There are some questions on the board. First question is, why do we observe 21st February? The second question is, what happened when Urdu was declared as only state language of Pakistan? And the third question is, what is the other name of 21 February? Dear students, no more today. The rest of the passage will be described in the next class. Dear students, be careful about COVID-19. Use your mask and hand sanitizer properly. Wash your hands again and again after eating and before eating. No more today. I will see you again in the next class. Welcome to all.